Merry Christmas, everyone! So today I finally have my Christmas house tour of 2020 for you. Through the month of November, December, I've been sharing lots of Christmas videos, decorating videos. So if you've been keeping up on all those, you've probably seen a lot of these things I'm going to share with you guys today. But I just wanted to do a really fun, complete house tour for you. I love watching Christmas house tours. It's really fun. So I thought this would be a really great way to kind of end my Christmas playlist journey for you guys of 2020. So I'm going to take you guys around, give you guys little close-ups of everything. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. I'll try to link anything if I can too. Hope you guys enjoy. This is kind of the main room of our house. Our front door is right over here. And this is just kind of like the main living room. We also decorated our front porch too, so I can insert a little clip of that for you guys if you missed that video. I'll also link the video down below because I did a little porch video this year too. But this is sort of the main room, and right behind Joshua, he's filming for me, I have these little light up birch trees right here, just kind of sitting in the window. It might be kind of hard to tell with the lighting because the light's coming in bright right now. Obviously we have our huge Christmas tree. Guys, we're losing lights. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but we kind of have like a dead spot now in the middle, but at this point I'm pretty much gonna leave it. But this is like my favorite tree that I've done. This year I added this green ribbon. This is my third year doing the black and white, and I think this is my favorite year so far because I love the green velvet ribbon. I also did big bulbs this year. In years past I did a lot of little small bulbs too, but I just really like the way this tree turned out this year. The rest of the room, the only other things we have that are like really Christmassy in here are of course the wrapped gifts, but we have this little pillow from Bed Bath & Beyond. I put out this little joy pillow. This is from a couple years ago, Bed Bath & Beyond. I just switched out all the pillows, like more white and neutral. The dogs love it. So that's pretty much all we have here in the living room. This is the dining room over here. I definitely kept things more simple in here, I would say, but I love this. I did this last year too. I just put a little pick right in here, and I love the way that looks. So I have one here, and then I have one down there as well. Don't mind this. This is like some little Christmas gifts down here that I still have to give. The table I kept way more simple than last year. If you guys saw my table last year, it was intense. I had my entire village on my table last year. I had a table runner, so I had lots of trees, little houses, garland, lights, everything. I had the table all done up with the chargers, plates, napkins. This year, I felt like I just wanted to leave it more simple, so we literally just have my dough bowl, which sits out here all year long, and then just the black ornaments. So I did no table runner, nothing. Very simple, but I like it that way. We also have our little wreath over here just up with a command hook, and then in the corner we have our little Bed Bath & Beyond tree that I do every year. It's sort of a play off of our big tree, but just really simple ornaments. My favorite part of the room is right on top of the china cabinet. So right on top of this china cabinet, which first I do get a lot of questions about this china cabinet. It's an antique piece, and I painted it and changed up the knob and pulls. But I put some of my village from last year that I did on the dining room table. I put some of those up here, and I just really, really like the way that looks this year. And you guys will see in the family room, I put some of the rest of these on the bookshelves. So that's pretty much it for the dining room. You guys can come on into the kitchen and family room. So the kitchen, not too much to share in here. We have a wreath on the window, but it's really hard to show you guys because it's bright coming in. So I'll take it down to show you guys. So just this really pretty gold. Last year I did everything more colorful in here in the family room. So this year I pretty much just stuck with the colors that I already have going. It's falling apart on us. That I already was doing in the house. So everything's a little more neutral, I guess, but I really like that little wreath up there. The only other things I would say that we have that is Christmassy is this little marble tray from Target a few years ago, and then my little Christmassy scented candle. Okay, we're going to move from the kitchen to the family room. I love this sign. If you guys have been keeping up with my videos the past couple months, you know this sign has really gone through a lot. It's fallen off the wall a few times. I had to fix this. It's not perfect, it got bent. So yeah, Joshua's had to re-hang this on the wall several times for me, but I think we finally got it. I love this from Target, so cute. I think it sold out though. And then moving into the family room, this is my flocked tree that I've been talking about the past 2 months. My Walmart flocked tree, 69 bucks, can't go wrong. This year I kept it very neutral. My theme this year are these little houses. I think this tree is literally like the perfect tree for me because it matches my family room perfectly, like with the little wood, just a hint of black, the white. It's neutral but gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this tree. We have a little collar on the bottom, but I have a video sharing more about this too, so I'll leave a lot of my videos linked down below that I've shared the past couple of months if you guys have missed any of them. But love this tree. Moving into the family room. Only thing I changed out on the sofa, I didn't really do like Christmassy pillows, but just like wintry pillows, like soft white ones. So we did those on both of the sofas. I actually put this out this year for Christmas. I know it's not like Christmassy. I thought maybe next year I could put like some little, because this comes off, maybe I could put like some little ornaments in it or something. But this is old. I just have never actually had it out before. And then we have the fire going. It's cozy. These are the beautiful stockings that I got this year from Target. They're fresh fold. They're super soft. So if Joshua gets close enough, you guys will be able to see these little ornaments that I have on here. One for Joshua, one for myself, one for Dude. These ornaments are from before we got Bandit. So we don't have a bee yet. But I thought that was a really nice personalized touch since we all have the same stocking. The garland, the tree, and then I got these new houses this year with the black roofs. The ones with the white roofs are from last year. And then everything on the bookshelf is really simple, neutral as well. Still have to fix our photo up there because the photo's falling down. But just have our Christmas sign, this little cement sign from Walmart that I love, and then our nativity, which is from Hobby Lobby. I always get a lot of questions about that. By the fireplace too, I kept everything more neutral, just have like a snowflake pillow. And then this side over here is the rest of my bottle brush trees and houses that I did on my dining room table last year. And then these are some bottle brush trees that light up from Target. And if you guys saw like my previous decorating videos, I had shared a lot of this and putting the ornaments in this dough bowl. So I just love the way everything turned out in here this year. I think the only other thing is like the entryway. So if you come down this hallway, I did get this rug actually a couple months ago, but I thought this will be my more wintry rug. I think it looks a little more Christmassy too. But in the entryway, the only things that I did, I added these little bottle brush trees, which I did the same exact thing last year. And then I have this out around the holidays too, just my little instant camera. So when people come over around the holidays, we can put their photos up. So that's pretty much all for the entryway. And in the bathroom, we didn't really do anything except I have one little wreath, which is gonna be dark in here, so I'll take it down to show you guys. Here, I'll bring it out here so you can see it better. I shared this in a vlog too. I made this with my friend. It has little bottle brush trees on it and a little house. So I think that looks really cute on the bathroom door. And in the entryway, cannot forget, Joshua just hung these hooks. I shared this on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me, follow me over there too. But we just got these hooks from CB2. And because our entryway isn't super big, I just thought these really sleek, minimal hooks were perfect for in here. So I like the black with the little gold on them. So I'll link them for you guys. And then I will insert a little clip of what the outside looks like so you guys can see what our porch looks like if you didn't see that vlog. So that is my completed house tour for 2020. Hope you guys loved decorating with me this year, or if this is the first video that you're seeing of all my house decor, make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna have a lot more decorating videos coming out in 2021. We're going to be doing a little more remodeling. I didn't share with you guys any of the tour of the upstairs because we don't decorate up there. But 2021, there's going to be more videos sharing with you guys some remodeling things up there. So hope you guys are subscribed. Hope you guys have a very, very Merry Christmas. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, your support on my channel this past year. And I will see you really soon in my next video.